Hi, my name is Carlos with ComfortStar Tech Support, and today I'm going to be introducing the new Easy Fit system, which is a 24-volt true inverter heat pump system. Some of the benefits of our Easy Fit system is that it's a 454B refrigerant, comes from factory with the sensor inside the air handler. It's a true inverter system, heat pump. It can be connected 24 volts or 485 communication. Has the ease of, it works down to 13 degrees Fahrenheit ambient temperature, or the CPH3, which is our high heat series, works down to negative 22 degrees Fahrenheit. The Easy Fit systems have a small footprint throughout the whole series. They have a low sound level of under 55 decibels. Throughout the whole series, 1.5 ton to 5 ton, your line set is 3/8 liquid line, 3/4 inch suction line. Ease of installation is this unit fits practically anywhere. Zero lot line, apartments, balconies, even on a rooftop, one person can take it up to the roof by themselves. On the CPR3, throughout the whole series, it's one fan. Our 4 and our 5 ton are only 38 inches high, 16 inches wide. On our CPH3, our high heat series, the 4 and the 5 ton are the only units that are gonna come with 2 fans, and they're 48 inches high. These units are AHRI certified. A permit can be pulled on any unit without using electric heat unless a local municipality requires one. They are also ETL certified for modular homes and mobile homes, and these units range up to 19 SEER, SEER 2. The warranty on the Easy Fit systems are 10-year warranty on parts, 10-year warranty on the compressor, on all matched and registered units. With your purchase, you will get a communicating thermostat as well as a remote control that comes included with the system. You will also get a 3/4 and a 3/8 flare nut so that you can braze into your line set, as well as extra flare nuts. You get your insulation for your flares, as well as the insulation to wrap around your line set. Also are included the silicone insulation pads for anti-vibration for your condensing unit. We're going to be going over the installation of our Easy Fit series. On the condenser, it's going to be 3-wire high voltage connection, 2 live lines and your ground, 2-wire communication to your S1, S2 with 14/4 stranded wire, or 4-wire 24-volt connection to your 24-volt terminal block. You will install your 3/8 and your 3/4 flare lines and braze them into your refrigerant lines. Your liquid line does not need to be insulated, as your electronic expansion valve is inside your air handler. On the condenser installation, they can always be installed on a concrete slab, on a stand, or on wall brackets, always remembering to use the silicone anti-vibration pads. Another great feature about the CPR and the CPH units is that they can be connected to any third-party air handler or furnace using our 24-volt terminal in the condenser and adjusting dip switch number 2 on the on position. The versatility of the installation of the AHU3 is 3-wire high voltage connection with a surge protector, 2-wire communication S1 and S2 to the condenser. It comes from factory with a 230 volt or a 115 plug for connection. It is an upflow, downflow, horizontal left or horizontal right installation. It comes with the flare nuts for your 3/8 and your 3/4 suction line with the insulation pads. This unit can also be installed with a 24-volt thermostat, traditional wiring to your Molex plugs, and the adjustment of dip switch number 1 in SW1. Now we're going to turn on the unit. When the unit is running, it will give you a display on the indoor board and the outdoor board with the status of the system. If the system has a fault, the fault code will come out in the indoor board and the outdoor board at the same time. One of the great benefits of this unit is the low amp draw that the complete system has. So we're going to show you what it's drawing so that you can get an idea of its efficiency and how quiet it is. And now, let's listen to the system, how quiet it is when it's running. One of the features of the condenser is that after every refrigerant cycle, heating or cooling, the unit will stop once the temperature is satisfied, and within a couple of seconds, the motor will turn in reverse to clear out any debris or dirt that has been accumulated in the condenser coil to be able to maintain high efficiency ratings. If you should have any further questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us at ComfortStar Tech Support. Thank you for watching this video.